patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patient, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession.
Cops, cops,
This is my patient, welcome to my creation. Working with patient, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? We're back again with another video. Today we got a quick Starlight headliner install. We're gonna be doing customers coming down from Santa Fe. Starlight's already been done. I pre-make them, so customers just coming so I can remove the original one, and then we're gonna be in there painting his plastics and his visors, everything to match. Install the new one in, wire it up, and it'll be in and out. It should be a couple hours maybe. So stay tuned.
Perfect.
Alright guys, the install's been done. We went ahead and we painted his sun visors, plastics, everything to match. Did the suede headliner with stars. Let's check it out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the install. It's all done. 2 to 3 hours max when I pre-make the headliners, but it came out real good. It's nice now that it's all blacked out because the interior is all black. So that's all you need is that finishing touch to make it look complete. That came out real good. But that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot more videos coming, more sunroofs. Like I said, a lot of people are still asking me if the new Webasto sunroofs are back, and no, they're not. They're not back yet. I don't think they're gonna come back unless another distributor picks them up and starts manufacturing them. But we're doing a weld-on one, so it requires some bodywork, welding on the roof, primer and paint, depending on what you want. But hit me up. Social media: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. You can check all those my social media out. I'm always posting on there all my work. YouTube, subscribe on there, and then we'll keep it rolling in, getting close to 5K subscribers. So I appreciate everybody subscribing. But that's gonna be it. Another one done. Santa Fe, New Mexico. Call a customer up, let them know it's ready to roll. All right guys, catch you on the next one. Peace.